This one is a short video about GabrielAI and automatic filtering. So we will work on Gmail, but suppose you are a manager in a warehouse. You may have different responsibility. For instance, you may have to go through the shipping report to make sure that everything is correct. So maybe you want to organize your shipping report with a specific label, which is what for labels are what usually in Microsoft or Outlook will be folders for email. So you can tell Gabriel that if the mail is a shipping report, store it in add the shipping report label. Or maybe you need to care about payment, right? So if the mail is about a payment that the company to receive for your branch, put into payment. Or you may have responsibility for your department, and if for instance the HR is complaining about something, you want to put that your specific label. Or again, maybe you're kicking off a new project and you need to track all the communication about a project, in this case Project Alpha. Why not adding a label? Or again, different cases, if there is a reminder about an invoice that needs to be paid, or a new email about an invoice, you may want to have all them together. So you just create your filter and add this label. Now this actually works rather well, and I have a few examples over here. So this one would be an example of shipping report where Mark from the operational manager will send the shipping report, and this asking for an attachment, to ignore that. Or we have an example for the invoice where the micro component company is sending us an invoice. So we want to keep track of them into the invoice label. Again, we don't have labels, we don't have the attachment or whatever. Or your VP is kicking off Project Alpha. Again, as you say, we want to track them, right? So suppose you receive this email. Now I'm sending email, but it just worked for receiving them, right? Or finally, maybe there is a complaint about HR, right? So Karen from HR say that the guys in the warehouse were partying too hard last Friday. So eventually, we send this mail and you will receive them. You will see that immediately the correct labels are applied. So the shipping report get the shipping report labels, the invoice get the invoice labels, and all of them, Project Alpha and Friday After Work from HR, are also the Project Alpha is tracked here. So this is a simple way to manage your email. Of course, in this case, in the HR table, in HR label, you will get all the one here in the shipping report, so on and so forth. So you need to imagine how it would be easier your life if you could have all this label, all this work done for you. Again, this is Gabriel, getGabrielAI.com.